This is the hollow point, just the FMJ. Okay, so this is the 5.56 75 grain boat tail hollow point. Let's see. Yeah, tip. So hollow, have a hole in the middle, and this is the FMJ 223 Remington 55 grain FMJ. I'm gonna use this at the shooting range because this is cheaper. There's no hole in it. It's an FMJ. If you're shooting an intruder, this is gonna expand, and the bullet tip is gonna expand and fragment. So this is better for defense. That's why it costs more. People say it needs, like, you have to stock a minimum of 500 rounds of defensive ammo. If probably for your shotgun rifles or 2,000 rounds, it's up to you. But I only have 120 rounds for my home defense. If you really need to shoot an intruder, probably 5 or 6 rounds, this should be more than enough. But it's depend on you, if you're really a good shooter and can handle your mentality. So the basic point is you just need to plan it properly and place yourself in a good situations. So unless your name is Leo or Rambo, then you need whole lots of ammo for your needs and for your style. The 5.56 or 223s compared to 9mm. So, but if you take a look at the tip, I think the 9mm hollow point, this is much more wider than this 5.56, because I'm not sure which one is more effective on self-defense situations. Probably this one might, because it's wider, it might fragment and expand more than this one. So yeah, hopefully it still can kill. So yeah, hopefully it works as it should be. Anyways, I'm still waiting my rifle kits to coming probably in the next few weeks, and I'll do a video about it, how to build it and how to service it. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.